Property number 2. If any two rows or columns of a determinant are interchanged, then sign of determinant changes. Property 2 states that if any two rows or columns of a determinant are interchanged, then sign of determinant changes. Verification: let delta is equal to determinant a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. Expanding along first row, then we get delta is equal to minus 1 the whole raised to 1 plus 1 into a1 into determinant b2, b3, c2, c3 plus minus 1 the whole raised to 1 plus 2 into a2 into determinant b1, b3, c1, c3 plus minus 1 the whole raised to 1 plus 3 into a3 into determinant b1, b2, c1, c2, which is equal to a1 into b2 c3 minus b3 c2 minus a2 into b1 c3 minus b3 c1 plus a3 into b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Interchanging first and third rows, the new determinant obtained is given by delta 1 is equal to determinant c1, c2, c3, b1, b2, b3, a1, a2, a3. Expanding along third row, then we get delta 1 is equal to minus 1 the whole raised to 3 plus 1 into a1 into determinant c2, c3, b2, b3 plus minus 1 the whole raised to 3 plus 2 into a2 into determinant c1, c3, b1, b3 plus minus 1 the whole raised to 3 plus 3 into a3 into determinant c1, c2, b1, b2, which is equal to a1 into c2, b3 minus b2, c3 minus a2 into c1, b3 minus c3, b1 plus a3 into b2, c1 minus b1, c2. Which is equal to minus of a1 into b2 c3 minus b3 c2 minus a2 into b1 c3 minus b3 c1 plus a3 into b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Thus clearly delta 1 is equal to minus delta. Similarly, we can verify the result by interchanging any two rows. Here is a note. We can denote the interchange of rows by Ri, arrow mark Rj, and interchange of columns by Ci, arrow mark Cj. Here is an example. Verify property 2 for delta is equal to determinant 2 minus 3, 5, 6, 0, 4, 1, 5, minus 7. So, given delta is equal to determinant 2 minus 3, 5, 6, 0, 4, 1, 5, minus 7. Expanding the determinant along first row, then we get delta is equal to minus 1 the whole raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 into determinant 0, 4, 5, minus 7 plus minus 1 the whole raised to 1 plus 2 into minus 3 into determinant 6, 4, 1, minus 7 plus minus 1 the whole raised to 1 plus 3 into 5 into determinant 6, 0, 1, 5, which is equal to 2 into 0 into minus 7 minus of 5 into 4 plus 3 into 6 into minus 7 minus of 1 into 4 plus 5 into 6 into 5 minus of 1 into 0. So, which is equal to 2 into 0 minus 20 plus 3 into minus 42 minus 4 plus 5 into 30 minus 0. which is equal to minus 40 minus 138 plus 150, which is equal to minus 28. Now interchanging rows R2 and R3, then we get delta 1 is equal to determinant 2 minus 3 5 1 5 minus 7 6 0 4. Expanding the determinant delta 1 along first row, then we get delta 1 is equal to minus 1 the whole raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 into determinant 5 minus 7 0 4 plus minus 1 the whole raised to 1 plus 2 into minus 3 into determinant 1 minus 7 6 4 plus minus 1 the whole raised to 1 plus 3 into 5 into determinant 1 5 6 0, which is equal to 2 into 5 into 4 minus of 0 into minus 7 plus 3 into 1 into 4 minus of 6 into minus 7 plus 5 into 1 into 0 minus of 6 into 5, which is equal to 2 into 20 minus 0 plus 3 into 4 plus 42 plus 5 into 0 minus 30 is equal to 40 plus 138 minus 150 is equal to 28. Clearly delta 1 is equal to minus delta. Hence property 2 is verified.